Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Abdurrahim. To the number 3014. Okay, in this time I will learn about MapDash model application. Change in the presentation late then use may result the degradation cell, which might then cause drought during the dry season and flooding during the wet season. For simulating discharge variation from the effect of the land use change in the presentation, hydrological model are crucial. An attempt to mathematically simulate the hydrological system from rainfall to surface runoff, which they depicted in the flow in the graph curve, and is typically analyzed through the discharge prediction modeling. The analysis of hydrological models analyze flooding, erosion, and sediment. The hydrographic network flow velocity, hydrographic network like time, flow velocity, and surface runoff coefficient are the four basic simulation input parameters used by the MapDash model. The map the MapDash model is the watershed scale surface runoff simulation model with instantaneous interval approaching real time. This model used for simulation input parameter, including surface runoff coefficient like time, geographic network flow velocity, and log flow velocity. The advantage of the MAPS model lies the breadth of the application and the simplicity of its calculation. The simplicity of the model is indicated by the model parameter, which are only four and can be easily quantified on the River network map. This model can be applied for the simulation of runoff in the large watershed or micro watershed more than 10 km square, with the educate simulation quality up to 90% similarity and capable of simulating runoff in the several scenarios of land cover change. Surface runoff model to predict flood and the drought risk effectively is the combination of MapDash model and geographic information system. The hydraulical parameter in the MapDash model hydraulic growth is the water flow path that direct the grind travel from the drop point to the outlet. The hydraulic path on the slope symbolized by LO is the length of the water flow path from the center point of the grid, perpendicular perpendicular to the counterline to hydrographic network or river. The hydraulic path in the hydrographic network, symbolized by L, is the length of the water flow path from the point where the LO line meets the river to the outlet. The flow velocity on the hydrographic network, or VRH, and on the slope PV is determined by is determined based of the several maps analyzed. First is the discharge simulation with net precipitation input based on surface flow coefficient QR method in the MapDash model. Uh, the result of the running the MapDash model with the QR method to the see relationship of the separation of surface runoff and the base flow in the rain event. Based on the table 3, it, it can be seen that ER value in the simulation result range from 12% until 70%, which means that some uh, 12% until 70% of the rain that falls in the watershed area will become surface runoff. So that rainwater, the infiltration into ground is only partial, uh, 30% until 88%. As on December 24, uh, is the result QR value was 70%. This can be caused by the total rainfall at the time of incident was very high, which was 68 millimeter. This method is strongly influenced by the characteristic of rainfall, while the infiltration rate and land use factor are considered constant. Accor- According to Arstad, the factors that affect the rate of coefficient are the rate of soil infiltration, and cover, and rainfall characteristic. This incident is some as on October 16, which result in a QR value of uh, 53%, which was the high rainfall at the time of incident, which was 39 millimeter. As for the rain incident on December 25, the rainfall at the time of incident was small by 20 millimeter, but the value of KR was KR was large by the 51%. This was due to the fact the one day before the incident, that 25 December, they have heavy rain, so that soil condition was still wet. If it rains, the rainwater that fall with slightly infiltrate and more will become surface runoff. On December 5, the high rainfall at the time of incident was uh, 39.5 millimeter, but the KR value was low at 22%. The cause of the low KR value is because in the previous 5 days there was no rain, so that most of the rainwater that fell at the time will be infiltrated and intercept on in the oil palm plantation. The land cover of meter of palm is very dense, so that the plant front will halt some of the rainwater that falls. Based on research from Tariagan and et al., with that from 30 rain event, the intercept value that occur in the meter palm rangers range from 20% until 34%. Next is chart simulation with net rainfall input based on the infiltration index method in the MapDesk model. Based the simulation result use the infiltration index method. It compensates the relationship between the simulated discharge and the user discharge, which is influenced by value of. This infiltration index method assumes the infiltration value that doesn't vary with time, contact, or constants, so that the surface runoff result from rainfall will be affected by refilling the groundwater surface. Next, discharge simulation with net rainfall input based on the SCSCN method on the MapTest model. The model used the SCSCN The end method will show the relationship between the occurrence of runoff and the influence of the CN value or curve number. Give the land use contained in this micro watershed. The CN value can be determined in the spot use one of these three methods, namely first soil physical properties, second detailed soil maps, and the third minimal soil infiltration rate. SCS has developed a soil classification system into four soil hydrological groups based on the hydrological group table. SCS also distinguishes three previous conditions of water content, or known as antecedent moisture condition, or AMC, namely condition 1, 2, and condition 3. This condition is influenced by rainfall data from the previous 5 days. That's all from me. Sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi